Hello, Paddy from creativemedia.org.uk here. Today I'm going to have a computer race between an old computer and a newer computer. I'm not going to say this computer's super new, but it's a lot newer than my other one. And let's see which one is quick, old software or new software. So this one here is a 2018 Dell computer. It has an i7-8850 hexa-core processor in, 16GB of 2666 MHz RAM. It's got an SSD. It also has a graphics chip, an NVIDIA GeForce MX130, and it's running the current version at the time of filming of Windows 10, which is a 2022 October version, and also the 2022 October version of Adobe Creative Cloud. Here is the contender. This is my trusty old Creative Media MacBook Pro from 2011. It has a 2.4 GHz Intel Core i5 processor. It's got 8GB of 1600 MHz RAM. It also has an SSD. The software it's running is Apple Snow Leopard for the operating system, and the Adobe software is Adobe CS3, which was written in 2007. And the competition is going to be to switch on from off, to open up a file from a pen drive here, a Photoshop file, to apply some levels and curves to it, save it back to the pen drive, and then shut down all the way to be totally off. Then I'll shut the lid. And I'm going to speed this up so you won't have to wait all that time. Let's see which one is the quickest. Now! Okay, I'm going to shut down. I'm going to wait till the fan's off and the lights are off. I'm not going to let it get away with just pretending to be shut down. So, take from that what you will, really. I'm not here to say that, Macs are better than PCs, or PCs are better than Macs, or anything like that, or that old computers are necessarily better than new computers. This old Mac has real trouble opening quite a lot of websites because it's too out of date. But, as you can see, simple tasks in Photoshop are lightning fast, so I'm going to keep using this as long as I can, but also use the PC for other things. Thanks for watching.